welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an apartment tour. I'm not completely done decorating my place yet, but it's pretty much finished, like it's complete. Ta-da! By the way, I just woke up and just put some makeup on my face. Looks horrible. Okay, here we go. That is the front door. As we turn around from the door, this is what my apartment looks like. Let's start off with my bathroom. Super small bathroom. Okay, so this is just kind of what it looks like. I have my sink here with some hand soap, face wash, and toothbrush. Pretty basic. Oh, and that's flour. I made this dry flour with the rest of this rose. And it's my shower. I don't have that many stuff right now. I just moved in. And here's my closets. I'm not going to open that closet because there's something private stuff in there, like girl things. But here is another closet which I'm going to open. If you guys want to know how I keep all my crap here, here we go. I have old tops here, dresses over there, pants, skirts, sweatsuits, hats, purses, shoes, and the other part is winter clothes. Looks all black, so black. And graphic hats. This is my favorite hat ever. You guys can see me wearing this hat pretty soon because winter is coming. I bought that scooter because I wanted to ride that scooter when I go to school. I've tried to ride that scooter for the last couple of days, and then yeah, I really love that. Okay, let's go into the kitchen. I feel like it's a pretty big kitchen for like a New York studio. So I don't have a regular kitchen table. I just have a kitchen island. I keep all my stuff here that I have in the morning. Like cereal, tea, oatmeal, and super healthy medicine from Korea. Sort of, I don't know. Here's some stuff that I made, and hi Stitch. Now let's see what I keep inside of my fridge. Nothing special yet, but this one, I got this wine from my apartment agent as a gift. I just had this wine yesterday, and then this is so good. This wine is from Disneyland. So cute. And here's my films. I live by myself, so I don't need that many food inside of my fridge. But this is going to be better, I promise you guys. This is a little bit gross. Yeah, nothing special yet. This is going to be boring. Let me ask you a question. There's something that I don't have in this kitchen. Actually, there's two things. Can you guess what it is? Did you find it? Not yet? Okay, I will let you know. I don't have microwave and dishwasher, which sucks because I use microwave a lot. Dishwasher is fine. I can live without that. Moving into the main area, I have a desk and chair. If you are wondering, these are from IKEA. I honestly don't like IKEA because it's too hard to make it by myself. What I really like of IKEA is it's cheap and the design is very simple and neat. I have other things that are from IKEA. This plant on my desk. I sprayed this part with my beautiful rose gold spray. And here's a lamp. Also from IKEA, I believe. Diaries. Oh, here's another Stitch. Doing okay there? Oh yeah, I was having a cereal in the morning. Next to the desk is bed. I got this mattress and bed frame from Amazon. I got this blanket from, where was it? Bed Beyond or Bed Bath Beyond, or I call it BBB. Making this bed was a piece of a cake compared to making that desk. On my bed, I have some pillows, this rose gold one, and this goldish pillows are from Forever 21. This mint pillow and the cute tree pillow are from Korea. I stitch again. Didn't we just meet? We just met a few seconds ago. And here's a utility cart that I got from Amazon, I believe. Another plant from IKEA. And you will notice that these are kind of fake plant. I feel better when plants just die, so I got beautiful fake plants. My diaries, books, and super cute panda shoes from Forever 21. And grass style rug from IKEA. And you move on to my makeup vanity area. I love this desk, which I got from Amazon. It wasn't that decently cheap, but I think it was worth it. I got this chair from Amazon. It was really cheap. I just spent $8 for this chair. I also sprayed this part with my spray. I have some beauty products here. My earrings and rings, bracelets, necklace. I won't go into detail too much, it's gonna be boring. And here it's just like a whole bunch of randomness. Lenses, comb, everything. Next to the makeup desk is a floor lamp, which is from IKEA. Also sprayed. And over here is my favorite spot in this apartment. Look at that. I love how much natural lights comes in, and obviously the view is absolutely amazing. I have this super cozy pink saucer chair from Amazon, and down below I had got this white rug. It fits perfect with this saucer chair. Say hello again to this massive Stitch. He has this beautiful crown on his head. He's from Disneyland in Florida, which means he's not from in the city, just like me. Before we move on, I have to show you guys this view first, because there's a ship going across the river. See that? Come on, ship, where are you? Oh, it's there. I literally can see a lot of ships and helicopters passing more than 10 times every day. It's really amazing that I can see the view from where I live. And you can see the terrace over there. It's also one of my favorite spots in this plaza. People just have brunch there and have some wine at night. And also we have movie nights I think it's once a month. And yeah, people just watch the movie with a big screen there. It's just amazing. So more beauty, I took wire lighting and I wired it around the window, so it's really cool at night. Above the chair, I decorated the window with this small wall hanging that I made. And here's more stuff that I have in this area. Books, flowers, another flowers. Woo! What's going on here? I don't know what that is, but I used that for my photo shoot before. Some plants looks a little weird, but I'm making a dry flower now. And next to the window, I have a keyboard piano, which I got from Yamaha. I honestly don't know how I play this piano without the pedal. See, this doesn't have the pedals. I have a real actual piano in my house in Korea, and this is actually my first time to use the keyboard piano. So I didn't know that this doesn't have the pedals. So let's see, I will figure it out. And I'm going to make a YouTube video playing the piano. at the same time maybe singing. I don't know. Over here, oh, look at that. That trash. I'm gonna throw that away. Sorry guys. This is like my real life showing video, guys. Yep, not staged at all. Alright, I think that's pretty much it. That was it for my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I like my new place better than the school dorm that I used to live before. I hope you guys also like my place better. Thank you for touring my place with me. And yeah, I will just finish the video right now. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Look at the lights. It's sick! 넘어질 뻔했어. 공짜로 팝콘도 줘.